Hi guys, now I understand why my Trailblazer runs louder than it used to. He didn't put the original kind of muffler on here. I've been meaning to get up under here and look. This muffler is a lot shorter than the normal muffler. So the Trailblazer muffler is a long, skinny one. See, it goes, the pipe is supposed to be up here, but as you can see, it's a lot shorter, and that explains why it's so much louder. It's a smaller muffler. I mean, I can't complain. I kind of wanted more noise. It's just, it's a little more boom than I wanted. But that's the thing happens when you deal with mufflers and all. It's hard to find the right sound. Outside the car, it sounds smooth, but inside the car, it kind of got this little drone to it. It's not a big deal, but I notice it.